Leo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 8 to 14, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment para makapag-book. Okay? So, let's see. Leo, April 8 to 14. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, maaring merong challenging situation sa inyong love life. Okay, so mamaya i-discuss natin yan. So bottom of the deck is the Eight of Wands. A lot of messages, communication. So maaring marami kang makakausap or pwedeng isang tao lang pero marami kayong pag-uusapan, i-discuss back and forth na messages. You have Two of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo ay going to be very busy with your career, with your finances, or marami kang mga multitasking na gagawin ngayong week na to. You have the High Priestess and the Page of Wands. I also see you na exploring a belief system. Yung maaring may nagbabago sa pananaw mo sa buhay, paniniwala. So, you are exploring. Some of you are feeling stuck sa isang situation na nanghihinayang ka. Yung parang meron kang gustong gawin, tapos sinubukan mo, pero hindi mo nabigay yung best mo. Tapos hindi ka nag-succeed doon. And then, parang feeling mo, parang, alam mo yung nakatulala ka lang. Kasi, alam mo sa sarili mo na may chance ka sana, pero you did not do your best. Kaya, nawala sa'yo yung opportunity. So, sabi nga nila, yung mga missed opportunities ay hindi naman talaga para sa atin. No? Kasi nga, na-miss natin yung opportunity na yon. However, may good news. Meron kayong new opportunities coming in. This can be sa iyong business, career, trabaho, a new source of income. Yung iba magsisimula ng bagong trabaho nila or a business, no? So, let's clarify that. What is the Ace of Pentacles? Pwede rin makaka-receive ka ng gift. Cash gift. Or may magbibigay sa'yo ng pera. What is the Ace of Pentacles? The Hermit. Alam niyo, ang nakikita ko rito is parang meron kayong gustong simulan talaga na hindi kayo sigurado, no? Maaring yung iba may bagong work na parating. Pero you feel na hindi kayo ganun kakomportable to try that, no, para simulan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong projects na nagfo-focus lang kayo doon. Ayaw nyo na merong ibang kasama or pinakikialaman kayo. So, yung iba, meron kayong yung solitude, ayaw nyong may makagulo sa mga ginagawa nyo. So, your challenge is the Lovers. So, maaring romantic relationship, ang challenging situation sa inyo. What is the Lovers? Oh, 8 of Vessels, oh. So, meron talagang aalis. Kaya siguro isa yan sa gumugulo rin sa isip nyo kasi naapektuhan din yung sarili nyo, yung career ninyo sa nangyayari sa relationship nyo. Pwede itong romantic, pwede rin naman tong friends, family, na nagkakaroon kayo ng problema when it comes to your relationship, yung commitment ninyo. And I feel like someone is walking away from the relationship, from this connection. Pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with, oh. Ito kasi yung sa love life ninyo. So, let's see your opportunity. You know, you have the opportunity to be free. So, may freedom. So, pwedeng ikaw tong aalis sa isang relationship na you feel na hindi na nag-a-align sa mga priorities mo, sa mga goals mo. Pwedeng the person that you're dealing with ay hindi na supportive sa'yo. So, ngayon, you will do things on your own. Kaya you are going solo. Ayan, no? The Fool card. What is the Fool? This is a new beginning talaga. Wow, the Tower. Ano to? Ito yung pwedeng unexpected, pero sa totoo lang matagal na siyang hindi mo lang pinapansin or hindi mo lang, iniiwasan mo lang. And then eventually nagkaroon ka ng triggers at na-provoke ka na and yun na, sinabi mo na napuno ka na. That's it. You have the Star. So this is your blessing, which is about healing. You are healing from this relationship, this connection. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, matagal yung pagsasama ninyo, lalo na kung ito ay family, no? We have the Page of Staves. But you are being guided to explore a new chapter in your life. Maari talagang meron na kayo kailangang i-let go. Or ngayong second week ng April. April 8 to 14, may i-let go na kayo. That is limiting you from growing. Pwedeng toxic situation. So, sa inyong money, career, finances, maganda ang takbo. Tingnan mo, you have the Queen of Pentacles and the Hierophant. So, I see a leadership role in you unfolding, no? So, maaring iba sa inyo mapopromote, yung iba naman maaring magli-lead kayo ng isang business or isang project. Four of Pentacles. Definitely financial stability in your career. I also see you na managing your finances well. So, kayang-kaya mong i-manage yung kaperahan mo. So, in terms of your career, business, finances, stable siya. I think ito lang talaga sa relationship ang sa'yo ngayon, nakaka-apekto. With the Moon card and the Eight of Swords, parang you feel like this relationship ay wala ng patutunguhan. Kaya ikaw na rin mismo yung umalis para mapalaya mo yung sarili mo. O, diba? Queen of Pentacles again. And focus on your finances, your career. Para mas lalo mo pang ma-develop. Para kasi yung iba sa inyo, yung inyong relationship ay parang pumipigil sa pag-unlad ninyo. May mga ganun merong mga tao sa buhay natin na hindi sila supportive or pwedeng inggit sila sa nagiging takbo ng ating buhay, ng career. Kaya sila mismo ang sumasabotahe sa progress, no? Kaya the moment na i-cut off mo yung connection mo sa kanila, mapapansin mo, mas magaan yung pakaramdam mo, mas maganda yung mga nangyayari sa'yo. Totoo yan. Reassess. You're going to reassess the situation. Which way to go. You have the right to change your mind. Yes. Kung dati, nakipag-commit ka sa isang tao na to, knowing na magiging responsible siya. Pero, hindi naman pala yun yung na-deliver niya. Hindi pala ganun yung nangyari. Then, you have the right to change your mind and walk away. Ang daming possibilities na pwede pang mangyari sa'yo, mga potentials. Focus your attention on what could go right. When you learn to imagine the best case scenario, you get to enjoy the experience, an experience twice. See, ayun. Pagpo-focus sa mga bagay na pwedeng maging okay para sa'yo. Hindi yung mga negative energies around you. So, you have to be more optimistic. And I think, doon ka mas magpo-focus ngayon kasi yun yung magiging inspiration mo to become a better version of yourself. There's growth, there's abundance. Ayan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.